Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add additional languages to your content settings on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC. This feature is perfect for those who want to explore content in multiple languages or connect with a broader audience. Let's get started. First, open X in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options. Click on the More icon to expand the menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your account. From here, click on Your Account and then choose Account Information. You may be prompted to enter your password for security purposes. Go ahead and do that. Once inside the Account Information section, scroll down until you see Languages. Under this tab, click on Additional Languages You Speak. This is where you can add languages to customize your content experience. Now it's time to select the languages you want. A list of available languages will appear. Simply check the boxes next to the ones you'd like to add. Once you've made your selections, click Done to save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully added additional languages for your content on X. This customization allows you to engage with tweets and trends in different languages, enhancing your overall experience on the platform. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. Enjoy exploring content in new languages.